Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is the video about the ZOSI NVR 16 channels with 8 bullet cameras, H265 encoding and power over Ethernet. So here is the system. The black box is the recorder. We have 8 bullet cameras, all connected with Ethernet to the device. This is the power over Ethernet, so there is no additional cable required. But if you want or you can connect the additional power to the camera. Here, this is the additional power if you want, but in this case, you have power over the Ethernet. All 8 cameras are connected to the Ethernet port, 8 of the 16. There are 8 more free ports. The HDMI cable is connected to the TV set. The power adapter is connected to the NVR. And in the front, there is the mouse. And I have also made a little test image to check the first camera resolution. These cameras are 4K, good quality, good resolution cameras. Let's see how it works for the first power on. There is a beep. There is a logo, system initialization. The RR cuts are noising. Please wait. Device ID is shown, time can be set. So these are the 8 cameras connected to the NVR, and this is the preview screen. This is added automatically. I did not change the configuration. Let's see the sequence of the cameras. Maybe it's not the same as I ordered or aligned them. So I go through. This is the first. This is the second. This is the third. Fourth. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you can change the orders in the settings. So these are the cameras: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 8. If you want the camera 8 to be at the position 8, you should do it manually. You should change position 5 and 8. You go to the IPC channel config. You delete 5 and 8. 8 is 102. Delete. 5 is 103. you search for the cameras, 103, you select and you choose the channel 8 and add. Already exists, you should delete channel 5 as well, delete, and you can add channel 8, and then you choose the 102 and it will be on channel 5. Okay, so now the last camera is the position 8. So this is the last camera and this is on position 8. It's not too easy, but you can delete and reassign the cameras to the correct positions. If you double click, you get the full screen picture of the camera. This is 4K resolution. I think it's pretty good. And you have on the right mouse click context menu, and there is a e-zoom, digital zoom. You can zoom now 4 times. This is now 4 times, and you can zoom 8 times. This is how it looks like. It's pretty hard to navigate. It's better to navigate with the arrows. And this is my test image with 1 millimeter wide stripes and 1 millimeter wide gaps, and then 1 millimeter wide stripes with 2 millimeter gaps. This is how it looks like. There is also possibility to change the camera settings, and we will see how can we change these camera settings in the future. You can see that there are some pixels moving or changing with the time, so it's not so steady. This is because of the encoding of the H265, but we will see if we can change the camera setting to give higher resolution. So if you press the right mouse button, that you will go back to the full picture and then to the multiple view, and now we have from 1 to 8. So these are all the 8 cameras. Okay, so this was the second part of this installations. I think that the color quality and the resolution quality is very good of these 4K bullet cameras. This is the C182, and we will see in the future how the camera settings can be changed for your need. So if you click on this, you can change the multi-view to all channel 16. Okay, so one additional note, where there is this little green box, it means that that camera is recorded at the moment. Maybe one last note, that there is a main menu, and there is manual maintenance. You shouldn't think too much about this manual maintenance. It just means that it reboots the system. So if I press the manual maintenance, it will reboot the NVR simply. Are you sure to maintain the system? And if you press OK, then yes, it will reboot. You hear this beep and oh, the camera will start. Okay, and you can notice, I hope you can see, that there are color LEDs blinking at the top of all these cameras, and we will see in the future how we can switch off this feature if it disturbs your environment or your needs. Okay, thank you very much and have a nice day and see you soon.